Hi, on this video we are going to learn how to apply eVisa for Colombia. It's one of the South American country Indians can able to apply eVisa, completely electronic application, and this is the official website, and these are the conditions, and we have to read and acknowledge basic detail they are mentioning, and we have 30 minutes to complete this online application. I have read and continue. We have to mention our basic detail like passport detail, nationality, date of birth, all details. Like for filling application we need passport, minimum 6 month validity, and we should have a document from our side like passport, photo, bank statement latest 6 month, hotel ticket vouchers, and employment proof like NOC, or if you are self-employed then you have to take the ITR, income tax returns. All this document we have to upload, and visa fee coming approximately 4,000 rupees is we have to pay $14 online, and visa processing time 10 working days, and within 10 working days you will get the update. After filling the application we have to mention what is our class of visa, address of staying, our personal details, and where we are going to stay in Colombia. So contact details in Colombia you can mention hotel in Bogota, you can book any of the hotel, and hotel and tickets is confirm. It's only required reservation. So if somebody looking hotel and ticket reservation, you can contact me for the dummy, so I can assist on that. And if you are looking to apply for assistance for Colombia eVisa, you can contact me. I can help you with reasonable charges. And we have to mention all details as per the application. On this section we have to mention home address details and address where you will stay in Colombia. All detail we have to mention it, and the expenses, who is bearing the expenses. It's the applicant by self, and we have to upload all document. And payment option only possible by the credit card options, so you have to enable your international transaction, then try to make the payment. Like that the procedure is going on. And here they are mentioning here social media sites. If you have, then you can mention it, an email ID, and continue. And here we have to mention our activities in Colombia, tourism, and from here and earlier application, anything you have to acknowledge yes or no as per your profile, and all details acknowledge and continue. And we have to further acknowledge the questions, then we have to do the attach all documents. So here by default most of the question is no, and here we have to mention yes, because I am outside of Colombia. I mention present location where you are locating, and here we have to upload all documents, or as I told you earlier, photo, JPG, and rest all document will be PDF only acceptable. So upload all document and make payment. Like that the procedure is going on. Hope you guys understand about Colombia visa. Any question you can put on comment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in another video. Thank you.